everyone. Hello. By the way, my name is Marian, and today's video is a bit different, guys, and one of my favorites actually. So I'm sitting down with one of our amazing virtual assistants for real, honest conversation about what working from home actually looks like. Okay, so there's no script, no pressure, just real experiences, struggles, behind the scenes moments. So if you're curious about VA life or remote work with us, remote Philippines jobs, this is for you guys. Okay, so let's welcome our very own Miss Emilyn Fortes, Miss Amy, as she shares her day-to-day experiences. And okay, right now, let's get into it. So, hi, Miss Amy. How are you doing so far?
Hi, I'm doing great. Thank you for having me today.
Okay, I'm really glad we're able to meet again. So, before we
Yeah.
start, Miss Amy, can you please introduce yourself to our viewers?
Hi, I'm Emily. I am a video editor here in Remote Philippines Jobs. So I've been in this company for 8 months already. So and counting. So that's all.
And soon, di ba? Really looking forward to work here long term. Okay, so to start, there's no wrong or right answer with this, Miss. You're just, naturally and casual, just like talking to a friend. Okay, so let's start it easy, very easy. So, right now, how's your work setup today? Is it clean or a bit messy?
Right now, it's a bit messy. Ang ako ang table, baga nakaisya og nakabutan ng mga samin, tissue, cell phones.
I see. Ako po, actually, meron, na-ako'y kaping ko here. And you usually like this guys, kay labad kayo sa ulo, magsigla tubang sa computer. So,
Yeah, it's
walang
good.
siya. So, they are very easy. And then, next question I have here, Miss. Actually, my questions here are mostly relatable to, VA life in general. So, I just want to ask, what actual or what usually distracts you the most while working from home? Because I know there's a lot of distractions. There's perks, but I know there would be distraction from our day-to-day, like, work setup, right? What usually distracts you the most while working from home?
Usually, ang maka-distract din ako is my nephews. Grabe kay ka sabaan, makigduwa sa akwa. And then, while working, masiyang, Mommy, let's watch Chuchu TV or something like that. Or, Mommy, let's do this, blah, 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 blah. So, ingana siya, kaya nang mag-distract ko usahay. Pero, syempre, nag-work from home, bayat na nagtrabaho ka. So, kinanan dyan natin ikon sa dangatong trabaho, i-perform po.
Listen, papahawaon sila nyo. Pero usually, mo dun ang this common struggle bitaw with working from home. Kaya kanang people in our background dyan, no? Kana dyan.
Yes, that's true.
Especially if, okay na siguro if non-voice, but especially for me, for example, like I'm always on cam, always on, like on call. It's really a struggle for me, John. Really. And everyone can relate to that. Bisa dili lang ako, can relate to na atong mga pag-umangkon, murag,
Yeah. Mga nephews, yun, mga sipat na kayo.
na kayo maudod siya. Okay, so since we are working remotely, Miss, what's your go-to break activity?
My goal to break the activity, siguro ka nang makomply na kung ako ang task. So, usually I edit man testimonial videos, VA testimonial interview. So, I make sure na one big video per day, mahuman yun ako siya kay for posting ba siya for our social media platforms. Especially ang mga clips na to, mga reels for reels. So, dapat yun siya mahuman within the day na task.
I see, I see. So, kita nga mga testimonial, and I mean, mga video clips, taga-edit na guys. Okay, so now I would ask this, Miss, since ga-edit ka no, and unsa pa na dira, what one app or tool that you can't live without during work?
Actually, two tools talaga siya or app. It's Canva and CapCut talaga. Yun siya pwede na mawala kay that's my main jud siya na akong app nga mo akong edatan sa akong videos and sa mga clips ingana. So, mo jud ang pinaka lifeline sa akong trabaho.
Hindi pwede mawala na.
Oh, yes.
Sa video kay wa mo makita ani karon. Okay, thank you so much for that one, Miss Amy. Now, my next question is, how do you usually like deal with the
Actually, I create to-do list every day. Usually, I started with the editing the long form videos from raw videos, and then after that, I created the thumbnails. And after the thumbnails, that's when I create the clips or reels for our social media platforms like TikTok and Instagram, Facebook. Yeah. So, mauna siya ang ako ang kuan jud murag script na ko kada every day.
very organized, very organized. Dapat lang dito organized, di ba? Especially with deadline. So, I totally understand where that comes in. Okay, next question we have here is some sort of a real talk or honest moment. So, since di ba, Miss, ang imo experience before is data analyst ka no, for 10 years, and that's correct.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, so what's something about remote work that really surprised you?
Actually, naka-surprise na ako as VA or working remotely kay iyang working environment sa ato ang agency or sa atong company. Kay na I have friends mga good na they're working also virtual assistant and they use like mga time tracker and kanang micromanage sila, and most of them nag-resign sa ilang clients or sa ilang company kay because of too much micromanaging. So mauna ang akong na-surprise here in our company kay di pasagtan na ganita as long as ma-accomplish ni mga KPIs.
True. Siguro it's not applicable to all work from home agencies, mga na or mga remote agencies. But here, murag sali kayo sila VA. No time tracker at all. Murag dili ka ma-pressure. So it's really good. It's really nice, guys. And nice pod nga among gikuanan nga sa gibalhinan na among sudlan nga agency kay nani. Okay. So I know this in our day-to-day job, dili man jud mawalan na natin mga hard days. Diba? Di man always na good days. But have you ever had days where you just could, like, for example, couldn't function, and what do you do when you feel unproductive?
Those days especially during my period, like very hormonal ba mga hormones nato, so kanang murag feel nato down kay ta during our period yun niya, and so ang ako lang yung buhaton is I need to i-remind na ako akong self is na ako responsibility sa company, sa agency, so I have to finish my job bisan pa og kanang not feeling well or down ka sa imong kuan, so dapat lang jud nga kanang kay nisalig ba yan nato ang atong clients, so mao na siya.
Okay, thank you so much for that one, Miss Amy. Next we have here is actually quite fun or personality question. If your work day or if your work day today had a title, what would it be?
Probably chillax lang. Ang akong title chillax kay nurse balay. So kanang ang ako lang jud is i-accomplish na ko ang one video per day, and then after kay man ang ako ang task. So kanang basta kanang na lang jud kay mura og kana ganing nakita ang adlaw kay naapo ba yan nagsalig sa ako ang ginabuhat nga task kay maubaya po na ang ilang task po sa ilang kanang like mag-post sa social media platforms nato.
I agree with you, and sorry for the inconvenience that I have brought last week. Okay, so next we have here, Miss. Had an experience where or have you ever had a mini panic moment during work? Experience ka na?
Actually, katong first jud na ko nga week working as a remote here as a video editor. Daghan kay sila og gipanghatag na ko nga SOPs, and tapos si Felipe sige send og mga messages sa Slack niya.
Like because naanad na ka, right? At first time siguro siya lisod. Okay. I agree with you. Like, una ma-stress ako. Undang lang ko ano. Hindi man dyan ko kamaon. Saan na nila ko? Anana. Okay. Sila sa mga
Nga lang sa atong first food sa mo na ko ang thinking nga nag-trust biya sila nako gihard ko nila, so dapat kita sa nako akong loyalty sa ilaha nga na. So dapat mangita sa good ways nga murag dili na lang sa ko magsalig sa sige pangutanan nila ba. So mo na mag-research ko on my own through ChatGPT or sa YouTube tutorials nga videos.
Okay. So thank you so much for that one, Miss Amy. And next question I have here is do you ever feel isolated working from home or working remotely?
Actually, wala ko naka-feel og isolated because every day I communicate with our co-VAs, especially ni Mo, ni Miss Anne, sa katong bago na akong gi-train. So, wala dyan ko naka-feel, and also magsigig update nila si Matt o ni Felipe. So, I don't feel like kanang isolated or lonely sa ako ang trabaho karon.
True. Even though we're not in the same office, we feel like we are really connected with our teammates. Diba?
Yeah.
Ga-reply dyan, and then ang communication na to, dili ingon nga ka na bitaw, grabe ka communication, no? Pero we have to communicate man dyan, kaya it's part of our role. So guys, sometimes siguro you feel isolated if you don't communicate. Ano lang siya. Okay, next question I have here, Miss, is how do you stay productive?
To stay productive, usually I started like 8 to 9 a.m. Then human pa na is 4 or 5 p.m. So like I said nga, I did magbuhat ko og to-do list kung siya pa ang murag list of tasks na akong buhaton anang adlaw. So to stay productive na ko siya, I set myself na this task should be finished at this hour, and then the next task ning hour. So para ma-accomplish na ko. Kani para ma-accomplish na ko ang task good kay usahay man good kay kanang lisod na not all the time ba ang internet is kanang hinay gani siya. So sa ako nga part like video editing is medyo na ko ang fast internet connections good. So kay usahay mo lag ba ang kanang kuan laptop kung mag-edit ka og kanang videos. So mao na siya, to stay productive dapat jud na ako'y kanang cut off an certain task. So dapat man ako siya at an certain time on.
Okay. Very organized. Very siya, dapat ka tao. Alright. So next question I have here, Miss, is what's one thing you enjoy most about working from home?
Siguro na ang akong na-enjoy gyud na ko most is ang akong feel akong time. Kay wala man tagi na murag wala tay hours of work like 8 hours, pwede ka mag-break. But as long as na ma-complete nimo ang imong 8 hours nga kanang oras or ma-accomplish nimo ang imong task, so you could kanang pwede ka mag-take breaks in between. So kanang wala kag ingon nga dapat mahuman na nimo ani nga time ha mao nang imong schedule dapat kana nga schedule sa nimo siya mahuman ang imong task. So wala ta ana diri. So mao na siya murag ako nga enjoy most nga pinasagdan lang ta as long as productive sa ta at the same time.
Adi ngon kaganina nga murag salig jud sila sa ilang ang atong mga bosses murag maghatag-tag ko ana ila nga mag-inspecto na naman sila sa ato. So that's why we really work
Yes, true.
kung sa ilang gipangayo sa amo kay para ina nila ang hikayahay din. Ano lang win-win situation lang jud siya. Okay. So next question I have here, Miss. Actually, it's a reflection or a slightly deeper question. So, what's a small win you've had recently, or what are your you're most proud of in your work right now?
Siguro kanang daghan ko og kanang daghan ang ma-hire o mo-apply sa akong company. So that means nga akong gibuhat is kuan siya effective. So mao na siya murag mo na siya nga ako ang small wins, and at the same time sad kay si ang ato sa mga bosses kay if nakakita sad sila nga you are very productive and kuan ka dedicated ka sa imong work, they give you some raise or promotion. So mao na siya ang wins.
Tinuod jud siya, guys. So, yeah, if ever you saw this, Miss Emily Ana, guys, she did great, really, really great in doing that. Even though, lahi na kaya experience before, then gapuan, pero she, kaya kang gihatagan ta niya og quality nga trabaho in ana lang. Thank you. Namugwa pa ba? Paano na yan lagi ko madto. Thank you so much for that one. Next question I have for Miss is, what's something you want to achieve next?
Siguro kanang ang I want to achieve next siguro kay kanang daghan ko ma-train. Ganahan ko nga kanang naa ko'y murag subordinates, dili subordinates, murag makahibaw sad sa kung unsay ako ang gibuhat ba. Kay murag maka-proud man gud nga naa kay gi-train nga lain sa imong gibuhat. So that means nga ang company is growing kay nagsige man siya og kanang hiring or daghan siya og gipang dawat ng mga applicants.
So the more na dam hire, meaning di jud mawa ang kuano, ang business, di ba? Nga na tama kayo
Yes.
namang hire, mang laid off na. Pero so far karon lang ganino, that's why nagdugay ko to diri kay kain mo na sila nga we're short of VA, so we're needing one. So kuan ako kay na pressure ko ako gi-interview. So ina na siya, guys. So we can see jud na growing ang company here. So ayaw na mo pagdugay-dugay pa. Okay, one last question I have here, Miss. Or this question, but I want to need, or what advice would you give to someone starting working remotely? Or to give to someone starting remote work, or just started remote work, or who want to start working remotely?
Ako po lang ma-advise to those who wants to transition or to start working as a VA. The journey is not kanang easy. So embrace yourself. Kaya very rocky gyud kaayo ang journey kung mag-remote work ka. Kaya daghan kay competition sa industry. And so make sure lang yun nga naa kay enough money kay usually kanang kuan jud ka og mga pila ka months, matanggong jud ka og pila ka months na mangita og mga client o ingana. And then embrace dapat sad kung kadawat sa ka og rejections kay dili sad ka kanang murag ma-lose hope sad. So keep lang moving, keep applying kay naa gyud na lisod ra gyud na ang pagpangita og usa ka client. But once nga na kay isa ka client, so prove sa imong self or sa imong client nga kanang worth it sa ilang trust sa imuha nga gihatag.
True, I agree with you. Marag ina na lang jud siya, guys. Sa una lang siya lisod. But eventually, maana jud tayo, will go through right?
Rejection ba?
And sometimes, okay naman po na ang mga rejections kay it will be able to help us. Like, you can imagine, guys, kung dita og trabaho ginani, wala din ko kay baog, diin ko gikan nakakuha ni, nakadaghan applyan. So just try. Na it's okay na po na makayo may kuwang sa kuha. But eventually, ayaw na siya diba?
Damdamin oo. Kay murag mostly gyud tanan nga nag-start og VA mao gyud ang iyang na-feel or na-experience with at first.
Okay. And Miss, our conversation.
Okay.
So, for today's conversation, I really enjoy talking with you. As in, bisa kapila pa magstorya na, dyan ka kastoryahan. Okay. So, for sharing your experience, and it really means a lot. I know a lot of people will be able to relate to this, to relate to your experience also, and your journey. And if guys, and you're curious about, working remote work, or becoming a VA, I hope this gave you like a real and honest glimpse of what it's like behind the scenes. So, di na siya kasi yung sayon lang po mag-VA. Najud po yung mga challenges. But I hope this give you more ma-inspired mo to maningtan mo. If ganahan ka, you really have to work hard for it. And if you feel, guys, that you feel like this is something you want to explore, our company, don't hesitate to reach out or drop a comment. So we'd love to connect with you guys. And again, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much, Miss Emily, for your time. Really enjoy talking with you, and we'll see you in the next one.
Yeah,
Bye-bye.
thank you. Bye-bye. Bye.
Bye.